Hi there, I have a Hitachi aircon unit that I know nothing about. It is turning on and the orange light on the front just flashes and then it closes up again.
Hi. Do you know the model of your Hitachi AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
We have only just purchased this house. I took the filters out and gave them a clean. But it's still doing it. Where is the air filter low-acted?
How long has this been going on with your Hitachi air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
I'm not sure, but I think it's probably been like this for a while. We have tried turning off the timers and cleaning the filters. I have also turned it off outside and turned back on.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Not that I can think of.
Hello, my name is. You still need assistance? An H5 code could be one of the following issues with your unit. Module current protection, namely IPM protection, IPM module temperature too high, high ambient, low voltage, or bad connections. Sorry, that was not meant for you. Disregard the H5 code.
Okay, don't worry, I think I'll just find a local technician. Thanks.
Okay, a few things you can try are: while pushing the power button, push reset button for a couple of seconds. Also, check your remote control using your camera or cell phone camera as your eyes. Point the remote control transmitter to your camera and on, light should emit in your remote control transmitter, means good remote. Reset the unit by disconnecting the power supply for 10 seconds. Then on again and start the unit. If it won't work, you need a qualified tech to solve the problem. Some of your safety device might be defective. Hope that helps. Thanks for using JustAnswer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.